pasta with butter and Parmesan. Here's what you'll need to prepare this recipe. This is one of those dishes that you can make when you don't think you have anything to cook. The first step is to bring a large pot of water to a boil. While the water is heating, start your sauce. In a serving bowl, combine a bit of butter and some freshly grated Parmesan cheese. It's important to use Parmesan that you grate yourself here and that is the best quality you can afford. You could also add a bit of garlic if you like and mash the mixture into a smooth paste. Once it's mashed, set it aside. When the water reaches a boil, add a couple of teaspoons of salt and then add the pasta. Cook the pasta until al dente according to the package directions. I used spaghetti, so that meant cooking the pasta for about 10 minutes. About a minute before the pasta is ready, ladle 3 to 4 tablespoons of the cooking water into your bowl with the butter and the Parmesan. The hot water will melt the butter and the cheese, and whisk it until it's smooth and you have the silky sauce that coats and soaks into the cooked pasta. When the pasta is done cooking, using a pasta ladle or tongs, transfer it directly from the pot to the bowl with the sauce. You want some water still clinging to the pasta. And then using tongs, vigorously stir and toss the pasta until it is well coated with the sauce. Garnish with a little more Parmesan, and it's ready to serve. If you like, add some ground black pepper and some crushed red pepper flakes to take this dish to the next level. It really lends itself to endless variation, so you can add whatever you like, a cup of peas if you want, a sprinkle of herbs, or just stick with the original, butter and Parmesan. I hope you enjoyed this video. For the complete recipe, please visit us at arkansasonline.com/cooking.